Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network latest video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 diagnostic and scan tools for Maserati vehicles in 2022 and 2023. I'm going to put links to these kits in the description below this video, so if you are interested in any of them come the end of the video, and please make sure to use those links because there are fakes, there are clones on the market and they can damage your vehicle unfortunately. So make sure you use the links to get the genuine and official products. And at the end of the video hopefully you'll have a better idea about which of these tools, if any, are going to be suitable for your needs. The main idea of this video is to show you these tools and then you can decide as to whether they are going to be suitable for your vehicle and your specific needs as well. So this is the Icorsoft. Well, first of all, we've only got 3 tools on the table. I like to normally put a table of 5 tools together, but it's quite difficult actually to get manufacturer tools for Maserati vehicles. So this is the best we've got. They are still good tools, but we just can't offer a wider range for Maserati tools as maybe we'd like to. But the 3 tools we've got, they are good, they will serve a purpose, so let's crack on and tell you about the first one, which is the Icorsoft I820 kit. This tool is the cheapest on the table, and it's cheap for a reason, because it's quite limited in its functionality. It's good, however, though, if you do have, say, a check engine light or an emissions light that you need to reset or diagnose. So you've got an engine problem with your Maserati and you need to diagnose what the problem is, get the fault codes, then this tool will do that for you. It'll also allow you to read live data from the engine system as well. So lots of trim, fuel data, O2 oxygen sensor data, mass airflow sensor data, pedal sensors, things like that. A lot of sensors which are within the engine module, it'll allow you to read live data on. So that's the Icorsoft I820 kit. Now, this is the Foxwell NT530 kit. This is a step up from this kit. This tool will also do the engine system, but this will also allow you to diagnose and reset other systems. So it'll do engine, it'll do airbags, ABS, transmission, and a few other systems as well. So unfortunately, it all really depends on the specific vehicle. So what I would say is I'm going to pop an email address in the description below, and if you want to make sure, say for example, your tool, the tool works on the ABS system on your Ghibli, for example, which it does, then double check with the email and we can check that for you. It works on different systems for different vehicles, and it's a little bit awkward in that respect, but generally it should come through and it'll be quite a good tool. But this also will do service resets as well, so if you've got a service message or a service warning that you need to reset, then this will do that as well. So that's the NT530 kit. And then we move on to the NT680 Pro kit. Same again by Foxwell. This tool actually, functionality wise, this tool here will do the same as this tool. The difference between these two though is that this tool covers a lot more manufacturers. So it will do all of your European markets, it'll do your American markets, it'll do your Asian markets, Chinese as well. It just covers a huge range of vehicles, whereas obviously this only covers your Maserati vehicles. So based on that, you know, if it was my money going on one of these tools, depending on what my circumstances were, obviously everyone's circumstances are going to be a bit different, but I would personally put my money into one of these 2 tools. If you are only really interested in your Maserati, then you need not look any further than this tool. But if you've got a Maserati and you've got other vehicles in your family, or you want to look after your friends, or you've got a fleet, or you've got a small garage or a workshop or what have you, then this tool is a good one to go for. But definitely one of these 2. I think, yeah, this is good if you've only got an engine problem, but who's to say you're not going to get another fault in future like airbags or ABS. And if you've bought this tool, you're halfway to this tool, so it'll save you from having to buy this tool and then this tool, if that makes sense. So that's where we are. Those are the top 3 tools for Maserati in 2022, 2023 going onwards. Like I say, I will put the links to these kits in the description. If you want to make sure you're getting the genuine and official product, please do use those links because you will go straight to the genuine and official product. Yeah, I hope this information has been helpful for you. I hope it's been useful for you in making a decision on which tool to buy. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.